At Clackamas Community College, our comprehensive 2-year Automotive Service Technology program equips you with the knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience you need to thrive in the high-demand automotive industry.
I guess I chose this program because I was already a student enrolled here and I was trying to figure out what kind of thing I wanted to do with my life. And I thought I would try automotive stuff because I like working with my hands. And you know, the first class, second I started working on cars, I immediately fell in love with it, so I decided to stick with it.
You'll master in-demand skills across the entire vehicle. Our curriculum covers everything from engine repair and engine performance to automatic and manual transmissions, brakes, and suspension and steering. You'll also gain expertise in electrical and electronic systems, heating and air conditioning, safety systems, and even alternative fuel vehicles.
Being able to see a problem, test it, and have the final result be what you want. But we have really nice, snap-on boxes here, all the tools that you would want, as well as a nice tool shop where we can get advanced tools.
This program is designed to get you working. You'll be fully prepared to pass your ASE certification exams, begin a fulfilling career as an automotive service technician, and pursue countless career advancement opportunities. Start your journey today. Entry into the program typically begins every fall term. Apply now and take the first step toward a successful career in the automotive field. Contact Clackamas Community College.